26,000 hours, and it's still working. Let that sink in. This is a Komatsu WA470 a full-size wheel loader with over 26,500 hours and 88,000 kilometers. For some people, that sounds like the end of a machine's life. But for those who actually work with equipment, this tells a different story. This machine didn't sit. It worked every day for years. And machines like this, they don't survive that kind of workload unless they're built right and maintained properly. Now watch closely. Bucket response, smooth, steering tight and controlled. No excessive vibration, no hesitation. That's not luck, that's engineering. Ride control system, keeping the load stable even at speed, which means less material loss, more efficiency, more productivity. Full cab with a C, because this isn't occasional use. This is long, continuous operation. But here's the part most people don't want to admit. A machine with a history like this is often more predictable than a lower machine with an unknown past. So the real question is, would you trust a machine that has already proven it can survive 26,000 hours? Or something newer that hasn't been tested yet? And, be honest, what's the highest hour count you have ever seen? Still working? Drop it in the comments.